A very nice man from DPD has just been to my door with this. Stay tuned to find out what's inside. I've been using these three sanders for quite some time now. The Rotex, fantastic for removing lots of material fast. These two, both great at larger flat surfaces, but not so good on smaller areas or sanding the round over on a board. That's the very reason I bought this. So without further delay, it is, dun dun dun, the ETS125. Let's see what we've got. Oh, before I do, I just got to say I am totally underwhelmed by the box. I didn't order the sustainer on purpose. I'm not mobile anymore, so I don't need them, and they just end up cluttering up the workshop or the attic collecting dust. But the box is £254.95, and that's got to be some of the cheapest cardboard I've ever seen. So that's a cross. And inside we have, who remembers the Generation game? A pair of booklets, a piece of sandpaper, a stylish dust collection bag, a lovely flexible cable, a guard, a cuddly toy, his and hers watches, and a trip to Florence, and the sander. Let's pop that out the way. Well, first impressions, everything's exactly what you've come to expect, what I've come to expect from Festool. It's all good quality plastic. Cables are great, really flexible. These little dust bags are very effective. I use them now and again when the dust extractor is already connected up to someone else and I can't be bothered to unplug it. It's bad, isn't it? Sander itself, nice and small, lightweight. Everything's where you'd expect it to be. Really, really good. Can't wait to start using it.
Rolling.
So the only thing I've left to do is to introduce her to her brothers and sisters. So, Ronald the Rotex, Mark the Makita, and your sister, Emily. Hello, hello, hello. That's all I want to do in this video. As I've not used it yet, it would be unfair to review it, I think. So I will release a review video as soon as I've had a chance to use it in anger, and we'll also do a comparison between the four to tell you what they're like and possibly help you if you're considering buying a sander. I hope you enjoyed this very short unboxing video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Why not hit the subscribe button right there, and don't forget the bell. See you next time.